Itong sabi ko na noon, the earlier fears, what organization to use. I said, what organization? Government itself is one big organization. And government is really a government, an organization, dedicated to the needs of the people. Hindi na kailangan yan. Kaya ito, nandito na ngayon. We're using the barangay health workers. Di ba may bayad yan sila?
Meron po sila allowances, Mr. President.
Yeah, kaya nga. It's not the money, but that they're also, they get a little for the efforts that they are doing for the community where they live. Now, on other matters,